Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to delete Telegram stories. Let's go. First of all, open up the Telegram app. For the purpose of this video, I am going to upload a story. Tap on the plus icon at the top. You can choose any photo, video from the gallery, or take a new one right now. I am taking a photo. Then tap on Next. After this, choose from here to whom you want to show this story. Since I am using it as the example, so I will select Close Friends, which means that it will be visible to close friends. Once you are done creating a story, tap on Post Story. Now to delete it, tap Chats. After that, pull down just like this. Then tap My Story. Now you'll see your Telegram story. To delete it, tap on the trash can icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap Delete Story. Now, you've successfully deleted your Telegram story. Remember that deleting a story is permanent, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming the deletion. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.